In this tutorial, we will learn how to draw a funnel chart. Now, a funnel chart is very similar to a bar chart. So we see the values expressed as horizontal rectangles, just like a bar chart. The only difference is that the bars are centered as opposed to being left aligned. And you want to put the bars in descending order from top to bottom. So let's look at an example. Here's our data. So it's important that we sort the data on the quantitative variable from highest to lowest. And then, so in this example, that's our categorical variable, that's our quantitative variable. The quantitative variable goes on the x-axis, just like in a bar chart, and the categorical variable goes on the y-axis. And this is how a funnel chart looks like. So that's our categorical variable, and we have the quantitative variable on the right. And of course, the name comes from the shape of the chart. Now, you can only get the shape if you have sorted the data from highest to lowest. If the data is not sorted, you're not going to get the funnel shape. Excel will still draw a funnel diagram. It will not look much like a funnel unless the data is sorted. All right, so let's switch over to Excel and see how this graph was drawn in Excel. Here's some data. The quantitative column is already sorted in descending order. So we can select this data, click on Insert. Now we don't have a funnel chart option here. So we can click on Recommended Charts. So we have a column chart, recommended, a bar chart, and then this funnel chart. So we can click on the funnel chart, and there's a funnel chart. So that's the end of this tutorial.